Now let me show you how easy it is to set your Memory Craft 1000 up for embroidery. I've chosen my design and I have my embroidery arm open already. I'm going to lock my machine. Then I'm going to change out my foot to my embroidery foot. I want to unscrew this part of the way but not the whole way. I don't want the screw to come all the way out. It's much easier to slide the next foot on if the screw is in there just a little bit. So I'm going to get it out far enough to wiggle this one off, and then I'm going to take my P foot and put it up on there and tighten that screw. I'll finger tighten, but when I get it in all the way, I'll use my screwdriver to do the final tightening on that foot. Then I'm going to change my stitch plate. I'll open the storage area. I'll use my screwdriver and pop up the stitch plate and remove it. I'll put in the straight stitch embroidery plate. There it is, it's in. I can close my storage, and then I'll take my hoop that's all ready to go. I can put it under the foot and attach it back here to the embroidery arm, unlock my machine, and I'm ready to stitch.